Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cubes 2048.io. This engaging puzzle game challenges you to merge identical numbered cubes to create higher values. Your ultimate objective is to reach the elusive 2048 cube, but the fun doesn't stop there. You can continue playing to achieve even greater scores. It's a simple concept with deep strategic possibilities. The core mechanic involves merging. When two cubes of the same value collide, they combine into a single cube with double that value. Imagine two cubes becoming a 4, or two 128 cubes forming a 256. Each successful merge brings you closer to the 2048 target and beyond, clearing space on the board. Strategic placement is key to long-term success. Avoid randomly swiping. Instead, think a few moves ahead. A common strategy is to consolidate your highest value cubes in one corner or along a single edge of the board. This keeps them out of the way and makes it easier to merge smaller cubes without blocking your path to higher numbers. To maximize your score, try to create cascading merges. This means setting up your board so that one merge triggers another, and so on. Don't be afraid to clear out smaller cubes if it opens up opportunities for larger merges. The game ends when no more moves are possible, so keep the board as open as you can to chase those impressive high scores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.